Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਾਡਾ ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਆ ਉਹ ਫੋਕਸਡ ਆ PSCB ਕਲਾਸ 12 ਫਿਜ਼ਿਕਸ ਦੇ 5th ਯੂਨਿਟ 5 ਇਲੈਕਟ੍ਰੋਮੈਗਨੈਟਿਕ ਵੇਵਸ। ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਵਰ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਐਕੂਰੇਟ ਦੇ ਸਾਰੇ MCQs ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਓਕੇ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਇਸ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਆਲਰੇਡੀ 4 ਯੂਨਿਟਸ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਬਣਾ ਚੁੱਕੀ ਹਾਂ ਫਿਜ਼ਿਕਸ ਦੇ। ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਵੀ PSCB ਕਲਾਸ 12 ਸਾਇੰਸ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੇ ਉਹ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਮੇਰੀ ਪਲੇਲਿਸਟ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰਨ ਮੇਰੇ ਚੈਨਲ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ 4 ਮਾਰਚ ਨੂੰ ਪੇਪਰ ਹੋਣ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਇਹ MCQs ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ ਨੇ। ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਆ ਇਸ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਿੱਧੇ ਮੈਂ ਆਨਸਰਸ ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੀ ਕਰਾਂਗੀ ਕੋਜ਼ ਅਦਰਵਾਈਜ਼ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਲੰਬੀ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗੀ। ਓਕੇ ਆਪਸ਼ਨਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਬੋਲਾਂਗੀ, ਸਿੱਧਾ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟ ਆਨਸਰ ਬੋਲਾਂਗੀ। ਓਕੇ ਫਸਟ ਹੈਗਾ ਵਿਚ ਆਫ ਦ ਫੋਲੋਇੰਗ ਹੈਜ਼ ਹਾਈਐਸਟ ਵੇਵ ਲੈਂਥ। ਆਨਸਰ ਇਜ਼ C, microwaves. Next, in Earth's atmosphere, ozone layer lies in A, troposphere. Next, the value of velocity of light in vacuum is B, 1 upon under root of mu naught into epsilon naught. Next question is, infrared spectrum lies between. Answer is B, microwave and visible region. Next question is, velocity of EM wave is parallel to B, E vector in cross B vector. Next question is, radio waves of constant amplitude can be generated with. Answer is A, filter. Next, pick out the longest wavelength from the following. Answer is D, red light. Next is, the nature of electromagnetic waves is A, transverse. Next, what is electromagnetic spectrum? Answer is D, A and B. मतलब कि electromagnetic spectrum ਜਿਹੜਾ ਉਹ ਹੈਗਾ arrangement of radiations on the basis of frequency or arrangement of radiation on the basis of wavelength. 10th ਹੈਗਾ ਆ write an expression for speed of EM wave in free space. Answer is D, all of these. A, B, C ਤਿੰਨੋਂ ਹੀ। okay. Next, ozone layer acts as protective blanket for Earth's life. Comment how. It blocks UV rays. ठीक है। B, production of electromagnetic wave is demonstrated by B, Hertz experiment. Next, reflection of radio waves takes place from D, ionosphere. Next, the process of mixing sound wave with carrier waves is called. Answer is A, modulation. Next is, velocity of light is equal to D, 1 upon epsilon naught into mu naught whole का under root. ठीक है। Reflection of TV transmission wave takes place from. Answer ਹੈਗਾ ਦਾ D, none of these. ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਚੀਜ਼ ਇਸ ਚੈਪਟਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਆਉਣਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਜਿਹੜੇ 2 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਲਈ ਵੀ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਆਉਣੇ ਨੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਸਿਰਫ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਵੇਵ ਲੈਂਥ ਅਤੇ ਫਰੀਕੁਐਂਸੀ ਪੁੱਛਣੀ ਹੈ ਸਾਰੀ ਰੇਜ਼ ਦੀ। ਟੋਟਲ 7 ਰੇਜ਼ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ, ਮਾਈਕ੍ਰੋਵੇਵਜ਼, ਰੇਡੀਓ ਰੇਜ਼ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਇਨਕਲੂਡ ਕਰਕੇ। ਮੋਸਟਲੀ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਵੇਵ ਲੈਂਥ ਅਤੇ ਫਰੀਕੁਐਂਸੀ 'ਤੇ ਹੀ ਆਉਂਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਕਿਹਦੀ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਵੈਲਿਊ ਆ। ਓਕੇ ਇਹ ਜ਼ਰੂਰ ਯਾਦ ਕਰਕੇ ਜਾਣਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ। The X-ray cannot be diffracted by means of ordinary grating due to. Answer is C, short wavelength. Next, in an electromagnetic wave, the electric and magnetic fields are B, perpendicular to each other. Next, in an electromagnetic wave, the strengths of electric and magnetic field are D, both electric and magnetic fields varying. Next, which of the following represents velocity of carrier waves? Answer is A, 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Next question is, which scientist experimentally proved the existence of electromagnetic waves? Answer is D, Hertz. ठीक है। Next question हैगा अपने कोल, which wave would you prefer for transmission of radio signals? Answer is B, waves longer than infrared. Next question, the frequency of electromagnetic wave used for radio transmission as compared to that of visible region is B, smaller. Next question, conduction current flows. Answer is through wire and resistance. Next question, the conduction current is same as displacement current when source is. Answer is AC only. Next question, displacement current is continuous. Answer is when electric field is changing in the circuit. Next question, which of the law represents Maxwell's third equation? ठीक है। ਇਹਦਾ ਆਨਸਰ ਹੈਗਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ D, Faraday's law. Next question, the ratio of magnitude of electric displacement and electric field is B, permittivity. Next, electromagnetic wave travel only through. Answer is D. Oscillating electric and magnetic field whose directions are perpendicular to each other. Next question. Electromagnetic waves are transverse in nature is evident by. Answer is D. Polarization. Next, which of the following are not electromagnetic waves? Cosmic rays. ठीक है नहीं एक मिनट 31st का हैगा है विच आर नॉट EM waves cosmic rays yes ठीक है next question is the electromagnetic waves answer is C travel in free space with the speed of light next question which of the following has zero average value in plain electromagnetic wave answer is D both B and C यानी कि magnetic field भी ते electric field भी next according to Maxwell equation the velocity of light in a medium is expressed as B 1 upon under root of mu e, mu epsilon. Next question. The electromagnetic wave do not transport. Answer is B. Charge. Charge and transfer नहीं करती electromagnetic wave. Next question is the speed of electromagnetic waves in vacuum is same for all of them. Is same for all of them. Next question is the velocity of electromagnetic wave in free space can be changed by changing none of these. Next, an electromagnetic wave is passing through a small value. The energy contained in small volume oscillates with. Answer is C. Double the frequency of wave. Next, in an electromagnetic wave, the average energy density is associated to C. Equally with electric and magnetic fields. Next question, infrared radiation was discovered in 1860 by B. William Herschel. Next, wavelength of X-rays is of the order C. 10 raised to minus 10 meter. Next, the frequency 1 G gigahertz corresponds to which region of electromagnetic spectrum? Answer is D. Radio waves. Next, the wavelength of X-ray lies between B. Minimum to certain limits. Next question. The voltage applied across an X-rays tube is nearly equal to 10,000 volt. Next question. The frequency of ultraviolet light is of the order D. 10 raised to 15 Hz. Next question. The wavelength of UV rays is of the order D between B and C. यानी कि 10 raised to minus 6 से 10 raised to minus 8. Next question. What is the range of frequency for ultrasonic wave? Answer is C. 50 kilohertz. Next is what is the name given to that part of the electromagnetic spectrum which is used for taking photographs of Earth under foggy conditions from great heights? Answer is C. Infrared rays. Next is among the following four spectral regions, the photon has highest energy in B. Violet. Next, which of the following is not an electromagnetic wave? 50th. C. Cathode rays. Next, solar radiation is A. Transverse electromagnetic waves. Next, the range of frequencies allotted from FM radio is B. 88 to 108 MHz. Next, the wavelength of EM wave is 10 raised to 2 meter. It belongs to. Answer is B. Radio frequency. Next, the ratio of amplitude of magnetic field to the amplitude of electric field for an electromagnetic wave propagating in vacuum is equal to B. Reciprocal of speed of light in vacuum. Next, if the total electromagnetic energy falling on a surface is U, then the total momentum delivered is A. U upon C. Next, speed of electromagnetic waves is same for all intensities. Next, according to Maxwell hypothesis, a changing electric field gives rise to magnetic field. Next, which of the following has minimum wavelength? Answer is C. Gamma rays. Next, electromagnetic waves are transverse in nature. It is evident by A. Polarization. Next, the cause of greenhouse effect is A. Infrared rays. Next, the dimension of E upon B are same as that of C. Velocity. EM waves are produced by Answer is C, accelerating charge. Next, which of the following has highest frequency? Answer is A, gamma rays. Next, the EM waves used in telecommunication are B, microwaves. Next, which of the following are most penetrating radiations? Answer is B, gamma rays. Next, which are not EM waves? Answer beta rays. Next, why are microwaves used in radar? Answer is D. Because their wavelength is less than that of radio wave, their frequency is more than that of radio waves, and they travel in straight line. ये तीनों ही ठीक, ये तीनों ही सही है, ठीक है? All of these है the answer. Next question is what are microwaves? Write one application. ਹੁਣ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਇੱਕ application ਪੁੱਛੀ ਹੋਈ ਆ. Answer ਇਹਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ C. First part of A and microwave oven. मतलब कि EM waves of wavelength 1 mm to 30 centimeter no use and microwave oven. ठीक है? Next. The charging current for a capacitor is 0.25 ampere. What is the displacement current? Answer is A, 0.25 ampere. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਚਾਰਜਿੰਗ ਕਰੰਟ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਤੇ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਡਿਸਪਲੇਸਮੈਂਟ ਕਰੰਟ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਉਹ ਇਕੁਅਲ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਇੱਕ ਦੂਜੇ ਦੇ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ? ਨੈਕਸਟ, ਅਰੇਂਜ ਦ ਫੋਲੋਇੰਗ ਰੇਡੀਏਸ਼ਨ ਇਨ ਡਿਸੈਂਡਿੰਗ ਆਰਡਰਸ ਆਫ ਵੇਵਲੈਂਥ. ਗਾਮਾ ਰੇਜ਼, ਇਨਫਰਾਰੈਡ ਰੇਜ਼, ਰੈਡ ਲਾਈਟ, ਯੈਲੋ ਲਾਈਟ, ਰੇਡੀਓ ਵੇਵਸ. ਇਹਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਡਿਕਰੀਜ਼ਿੰਗ ਆਰਡਰ ਆਫ ਵੇਵਲੈਂਥ 'ਚ ਕਰਨਾ ਆ ਅਰੇਂਜ. ਸੋ ਆਨਸਰ ਇਹਦਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਆ ਸੀ. ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਆਊਗਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ 5th ਰੇਡੀਓ ਵੇਵਸ, ਫਿਰ ਆਊਗਾ 2nd ਇਨਫਰਾਰੈਡ, ਫਿਰ ਆਊਗਾ 3rd ਰੈਡ ਲਾਈਟ, ਫਿਰ ਆਊਗਾ 4th ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਯੈਲੋ ਲਾਈਟ, ਐਂਡ ਫਿਰ ਆਊਗਾ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ 1st ਗਾਮਾ ਰੇਜ਼. ਓਕੇ, ਨੈਕਸਟ. An electromagnetic wave of wavelength 5 into 10 raised to minus 5 centimeter lies in the region. Answer is C, visible. Next, which of the following are not electromagnetic waves? Beta rays. ठीक है, कई बार क्वेश्चन आ गया, तीजी बारी क्वेश्चन आ गया है. द वेवलेंथ ऑफ अ वेव विद फ्रीक्वेंसी 10 raised to minus 14 hertz will be. Answer is A, 0.1 ampere. 0.1 meter. Next question. The speed of electromagnetic wave in a medium of dielectric constant 2.25 and relative permeability 4 is A, 1 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. Out of the following options, which one can be used to produce a propagating electromagnetic wave? Answer is D, an accelerating charge. Next, a free electron is placed in the path of a plane electromagnetic wave. The electron will start moving, answer, along the direction of electric field. Next question is, select the rays which are being emitted by a human body. Answer is D, infrared rays. Next question. The electromagnetic waves detected by using a thermopile and used in physical therapy are D, infrared radiations. Next, the energy of the EM waves is of the order 15 K electron volt. To which part of the spectrum does it belong? B, X-rays. Next, frequency of a wave is 6 into 10 raised to 15 Hz. The wave is D, UV. Sodium lamps are used in foggy conditions because. Answer is A, yellow light is scattered less by the fog particles. Next, the correct arrangement of colors in the descending order of their wavelength is B, orange, yellow, green, violet. Next, X-rays are not used for radar purposes because they are not A, reflected by target. Next, which of the following is in the infrared wavelength? A, 10 raised to minus 4 centimeter. Next, one requires 11 electron volt of energy to dissociate a carbon monoxide molecule into carbon and oxygen atoms. The minimum frequency of the appropriate electromagnetic radiation is achieved. The dissociation lies in C, electroviolet region. Next question. A linearly polarized electromagnetic wave given as E vector is equal to E naught into I cap cos kz minus omega t is incident normally on a perfectly reflecting infinite wall at z equal to a. Assuming that the material of the wall is optically inactive, the refracted wave will be given as. Answer is B, E vector r is equal to E naught into I cap cos xz plus omega t. Next question. Light with an energy flux of 20 W upon centimeter square falls on a non-reflecting surface at normal incidence. If the surface has an area of 30 centimeter square, the total momentum delivered for complete absorption during 30 minutes is. Answer is B, 36 into 10 raised to minus 4 kg per meter per second. Next, 88th. The electric field intensity produced by the radiations coming from a 100-watt bulb at a 3-meter distance is E. The electric field intensity produced by the radiation coming from 50-watt bulb at the same distance is A. E upon 2. Next. If E vector and B vector represent electric and magnetic field vectors of the electromagnetic wave, the direction of propagation of electromagnetic wave is along D. E vector cross B vector. Next, the ratio of contribution made by the electric field and magnetic field components of the intensity of EM wave is C. 1:1. Next, an EM wave radiates outwards from a dipole antenna with E naught as the amplitude of its electric field vector. The electric field E naught, which transports significant energy from the source, falls off as. Answer is C. 1 upon R. Next, from Maxwell's hypothesis, a changing electric field gives rise to C. A magnetic field. Next question. In electromagnetic waves, if mu E and mu M are mean electric and magnetic energy densities respectively, then 93 A answer है the mu E equal to mu M. Next, Maxwell in his famous equation of electromagnetism introduced the concept of. Answer is B. Displacement current. Next, if a variable frequency AC source is connected to a capacitor, then with decrease in frequency, the displacement current will be decrease. Next, select the rays which are being emitted by human body, infrared rays. What is the common characteristics of all EM waves? C. Speed. Next, 10 centimeter is wavelength corresponding to spectrum of microwaves. Next, dimension of half epsilon naught E square, where epsilon naught is permittivity of free space and E is electric field. Answer is C. M1 L minus 1 T minus 2. Next, speed of electromagnetic waves is independent of. Answer is C. Intensity. Next, electromagnetic waves of shorter wavelength are most suitable for A. Photoelectric effect. Next, fingerprints on a piece of paper may be detected by sprinkling fluorescent powder on the paper and then looking it in the D. Electroviolet light. Next, which one of the following are not transverse rays? A. Sound waves. Which one of the following is not the property of light? Answer is A. It requires a material medium for propagation. Next, the electric and magnetic fields in an electromagnetic wave are A. In phase and perpendicular to each other. Next, an electric charge in an uniform motion produces. Answer C. Both electric and magnetic fields. Next, radio waves of constant amplitude can be generated with. Answer is D. Oscillator. Next, which rays are not the portion of electromagnetic spectrum? C. Alpha rays. Next, in an electromagnetic wave, the average energy density associated with electric field is. Answer is D. Epsilon naught into E square upon 2. ठीक है, ਇਹ ਸੀਗੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਤੱਕ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ MCQ ਸੀ ਪੂਰੇ 109 MCQ ਸੀ, ਉਹ ਇੱਥੇ ਤੱਕ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੰਪਲੀਟ ਹੋ ਗਏ। ਇਹ ਸਾਰੇ ਆਨਸਰਸ ਨੇ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ। ਸਕਰੀਨਸ਼ਾਟ ਵੀ ਖਿੱਚ ਸਕਦੇ ਇਹਦਾ। ठीक है, इस वीडियो में इन्ना ही। ठीक है, इस मैं थोड़े सारे यूनिट 5 फिजिक्स के MCQs जोड़े ने कवर कर दिते हैं। वैसे इस चैप्टर के जनरली थानू यही क्वेश्चन आएंगे 2 मार्क्स कि तुसी दसो कि किहड़ी रे किहदे नालों ज़्यादा होगा पावरफुल है ना, या एप्लीकेशन आ सकदियां रेज दियां। ओके, ज़्यादातर तो एप्लीकेशन के उत्ते क्वेश्चन आता है। ठीक है, तो प्रॉपर्टीज़ के क्वेश्चन आ सकता है एक्सरेज की। ठीक है, इनफ्रारेड रेज की। ठीक है, तो यह सीगा साडा अज का वीडियो। जेकर थानू वीडियो वधिया लगी हो तो कमेंट जरूर करके जाओ थानू वीडियो किवें दी लगी। ठीक है, तो साडे चैनल नूं भी सबसक्राइब करियो जिन्होंने नहीं किया हैगा। तुसीं इत्थे तक वीडियो तक पहुँचे हैं तो साडी प्लेलिस्ट नूं जरूर चैक करियो, जिथे मैं ऑलरेडी 4 यूनिट्स के जिहड़े MCQs आ ते ट्रू फॉल्स कवर करवा चुकी हाँ। अगर किसी बच्चे नूं कोई डाउट आ, कोई क्वेरी आ तो सानूं कमेंट सैक्शन में दस्से। तो इदां ही साडे चैनल के नाल बने रहो। अगर थानू केमिस्ट्री का भी कोई MCQ वगैरह मटीरियल चाहिए तो सानू कमेंट सैक्शन में दस्सियो। ओके, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग, बाय बाय।